us with that camp. It's not that
Okay.
big of a park.
Yep.
Yeah, right there at the end.
Okay.
Right on the beach, actually, but it's over a hill, so you just have to walk over the hill to get there.
Okay.
Your pass works for here and for Buckskin, so even on your way out tomorrow before noon, you can go over there and check that out.
Okay.
Too.
Yeah, we've been to Buckskin before. Yep.
That's just 1 mile south, so you know what that's all about.
Gotcha.
Awesome.
All right. Well, thank you so much. Have a good one.
Thank you. Well, hello. We are on another camping adventure, and we just got here. It's sweaty. It's hot.
It's like 111.
Yeah, but thank God for air.
Yeah. Luckily we got power, and our surge protector wasn't letting it work at first, so I was getting a little nervous.
Yes.
Because it's only 120 volts. So we got rid of the surge protector. The air kicked on. Thank the Lord, because it's very hot. So yeah, check this out, and then we'll show you the real cool part. So there we go. Yes, I know what you're thinking. It looks kind of like a parking lot, which it does. You know, so we'll just do a quick little walk around the truck. We came in over there, came around. We have some bathrooms and showers. But yes, you see water. Let's go check it out.
The exciting part?
Yes. I can't wait to put myself in it.
No kidding.
Oh my Lord. Let's check it out. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that beach.
We have this like all to ourselves too. Isn't that
There's
exciting?
like nobody here. So we are once again at the Colorado River it'd be kind of the south side of Lake Havasu.
Yes.
Oh my Lord. It almost looks like the ocean.
It does. Like, look at the different hues of blue.
Holy cow.
Wow.
Those cliffs.
This is incredible.
This is unbelievable.
Ah!
We got to put on our swim trunks. It's so hot. I can't wait to get out there.
I got towels.
Okay. Let's go. We are heading swimming.
Woohoo!
Let's get her done. Oh my God, I can't wait to go in there. Oh, it is perfect.
Oh, yes. Oh, that's what I wanted.
Holy cow, it dropped off right there.
Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness, it's awesome.
Sarah gets to cool off first.
Oh my gosh, she has cuts out here.
Really? This is horrible. I think it's my turn. We should probably put our microphones back up by our chairs.
This is where it's at, right here.
It so reminds me of the ocean. Oh, so nice and cold.
It's so beautiful here.
Oh my gosh. Oh, a little tornado. Blow our chairs away.
Oh, yep.
Oh, he went up over the hill.
Look at that beach. Beautiful. We just enjoyed a dip. And then we were trying to get out. and I was holding everything and slipped in the muck, cut my knee a little bit.
She's a klutz.
A little bit. One of the microphones went in the water. We're hoping it survives.
It turned back on, but I highly doubt it.
Yeah, who knows? We'll see.
So the rest of the video will just be us going.
Yeah, stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
We'll see. Oh, but check that out. There's some jet skis. Cool boat going by.
So our not our last video, but our video at Buckskin, we were actually just right around the bend here, a little south of us. And yeah, that was really cool too. But this beach is by far better.
Oh yeah,
I mean,
this beach is awesome.
Is so sweet.
Yeah, it's very cool.
Boat landing right there where the lady's sitting on her jet skis. So if you have a boat or jet skis or whatever, that's pretty cool too.
Yeah.
We'll have to do a little walk tour of the campsite parking lot. Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do though. If you want to be by water around here, most of the time you're not going to be boondocking. It's going to be a campsite.
Right.
You know, with it being 111.
Yep.
It's either up north or by water at a campsite. So you pick your poison.
This big bird just swooped down. Oh, he's on the rock ledge with the sunshine. Oh, there he is. He's flying off now.
I don't see anything in his talons.
He was huge.
This guy.
Oh. Well, hello there.
He's just walking up a storm.
Yeah. He's pretty big.
Look at his beak. He's got quite the beak on him.
Yeah, his eyeball looks yellow.
You know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow.
Look at this.
You guys know what that is?
What are we gonna do?
It's a magnet.
Woohoo!
Always wanted to do some magnet fishing. I don't know if you ever watched that, but so we got this one on at Harbor Freight.
Need a longer string.
Well, so far nothing.
Yeah.
Keep playing. Look at that.
So weird.
That's very bizarre.
Yeah, like that little fine dirt has some type of magnetism to it.
Yeah, that's crazy. Huh.
What is that?
Yeah,
Does anybody know?
Look at it, goes right back to it.
Huh. You know what it reminds me of? Is like in an Etch-a-Sketch.
Yeah, exactly. Exact thing. Maybe it's the same stuff.
Yeah.
Doesn't come off very easy.
No, look at it. That is so cool. Huh. I'm surprised how clean it is. Maybe we should go over where the boat landing is. All right, let's see what we can find. Other than a receipt.
Could swim over here is freaking nice. Yeah, a longer rope would have been nice, but oh well. We got a washer.
We're rich.
Score.
It is a windy mother trucker. Right? What is, ooh, nice. Yeah, is it nice?
I'm being sarcastic.
I can't get mine open.
Well, we are gonna head up to the little office.
See
what they giz at. See if
Yeah.
they have a Wi-Fi, because there's no signal here. So
Yeah.
we each got ice tickles. Interesting name.
Yeah.
I guess if you kept it in there and put it somewhere, it could tickle.
Oh my goodness. Oh,
It's look at it thawing already.
it's freezing.
Yeah. Sweet. We gotta get back and eat our ice tickles.
Fat ice tickle. We gotta get a scissors. Tickle in my throat from my, no wonder, ice tickles.
Yeah, tickles your throat.
Literally. Makes you cough.
There's something about fake cherry stuff that always makes me cough. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the red 40. Red 40's in there. Yellow number 5 and 6. Oh well, sometimes you just gotta eat stuff that'll eventually kill you.
It's cold though.
Well, the tickle is gone. I got a red 40 tongue. Do you have red 40 tongue? Sarah's still nursing on hers a little bit. So here's Buckskin. This is the one that is around the corner right there. So we were right over in there, and then here is River Island, which is a bigger map. I guess you can, if you get a pass, you can go to either one, which is kind of cool. So we're on number 30, which is right by the boat landing in that little bay, I guess you can call it, in the river, which is pretty sweet. I mean, it's all nice and shaded. Here's our view, which is awesome. We were just taking a little break from the heat. But yeah, you can see this is a camping spot right next to us, but no one's around because no one's dumb enough to camp in 115 degree heat. But we have a big tree there and a big tree on the other side. So we're shaded. We'll be shaded basically 24/7. But look at that view out there. That is unbelievable. We might have to come here in the winter.
Yeah.
You know?
It'll probably be packed.
It'd probably be packed, yeah. But the water felt amazing, so it's kind of one of those things where it might be hot as hell, but the water feels great. So we're gonna finish. Sarah's gonna finish up her ice tickle.
We are gonna try fishing again. There is a cool spot over alongside the rocks. Check it out over there. And we're gonna see, because there was like some cattails and stuff like that down there. We're gonna see if we can catch any fish. Right, babe?
We're gonna slay them today.
We're gonna slay them. Slay the fish. Yeah.
Positive thinking.
Yes. We want to catch something. What was that?
I don't know.
Oh, I see lots of little fish. Ooh, it's so nice and whoa, it's slippery.
How's it going?
Yeah, I got rid of my bait. I flicked it off and in the water.
Watch, a fish will come up and just...
No, so far they haven't. I can see it.
There's quite the current that comes through here from Sarah over to front of me. Obviously it's a river, but it scoots my bobber through, so I'm just kind of letting it drag through, and we're having no such luck. I had a big old fish swim right by my legs, scared the hell out of me.
We gave up on fishing and we're gonna go swimming because nothing's biting. It's a big bummer. So swimming it is. We took a dip. We got skunked.
Yep. Well,
fishing.
You know what they say, if you can't catch them, swim with them.
That's what we did.
That's what we did.
And we saw a few splashing around.
I had that big one right by my legs.
Oh, yes.
I scared him when I turned my head and he shaming away.
He looked big.
Yeah, he had to be 2 feet. I don't even know what kind of fish they are, so if you don't know what they are, how do you fish for them?
Well, yeah, true. We're just putting a lure on and fricking them.
Let's try to have some fun. Look at that campsite.
Wow.
That's pretty sick.
Yep. Super cool. I think we've got the best spot. Incredible views. It's probably gonna be some decent sunsets.
Ooh. It's actually not bad up here. It's starting to cool down the tip.
Yeah, it is. It's starting to feel well, and we just cooled off in the water too.
Yeah, true.
So
I mean, that water, it'd be nice to have a thermometer. It's probably 75 degrees.
yeah, I
If
could.
you think of our pool, when our pool was 90, it was getting like warm,
Right.
like tub water.
Very true.
You know, so I bet it's about 75 because it's chilly.
Yeah. It was very nice and refreshing.
Yeah. So anywho, we're gonna dry off, and I don't know if we're gonna eat or not. It's so hot. We're not that hungry.
Yeah.
So we'll see it happens. Shower up for sure.
Right. We got plenty of food with us for snacks and
Yeah.
munching and whatever. But yeah, we just don't know if we want to grill.
We'll see. You know how it is. Once you sit for a while, maybe we'll get a little hungry, but
Yeah. All right.
let's just chill for a bit. But check out this thing.
Yeah.
Holy smokes. You know what it kind of looks like? It looks
What?
like a well, it's a military truck. It's the one that I always look at, not the deuce and a half, but it starts with the S. I can't remember, but it looks like they just dropped a container on it.
Yeah. Look at those stairs. They're kind of cool.
That is sick. I can't remember what that thing's called. That's really cool.
Drop it in the comments if you know.
What is that military truck called? I'm pretty sure it starts with an S. Slippy, slappy, Samsonite. That's it.
Really?
No.
That's a luggage.
That's a line from Dumb and Dumber. Who doesn't know that? Jeepers. we go. So we're rounding the corner. There is the truck. Look at the mountain views. Just, I mean, you can't beat the views at this place.
No.
That is for sure.
I wonder where that goes.
I bet it goes to the beach.
Oh, I suppose.
Let's go look.
Yeah?
Maybe there's a secret path to a hidden cave. No pets or glass containers on the beach. I saw both.
Well, that's... Oh, I suppose they got a sign there, too. Yeah, because
so we were fishing down there, didn't catch anything. We were fishing there, didn't catch anything. We were fishing there, didn't catch anything. Look at that little island kind of in the middle. That's pretty sick. I mean, water, truck. Look at that. Look at the mountain behind the mountain.
Oh, wow.
I didn't notice that.
That is crazy.
That is cool.
It's like a tower.
Wow. Yeah, the cheese is not cold at all.
The prunes aren't very cold either.
That's not cool.
No. And I really don't feel like going into town and getting a cooler, but...
Hopefully the opening the freezer helps.
Yeah, because otherwise we don't want all that food going to waste either.
No, we're going to have to eat it all tonight. Fast tomorrow.
Or eat it all in the morning.
Does anybody else out there have that problem with their refrigerator? We got it cranked right now. It's on LP. But our other camper was like that too.
Yeah, especially in the heat of summer.
Yeah, in the summer when it's, I mean, it's like 109 right now.
Right.
So it just can't, our other one couldn't keep up either.
Yeah, and it's just, it's crazy. It gets down to like maybe 80 for a low.
Yeah, if we're lucky.
Yeah, I think I saw 87 for a low. But we decided we're not going to make any hot food. We're just having a little sandwich.
Yeah, I don't want any hot food.
No.
Honestly, all I really want is fruit and smoothies and, you know, stuff like that. That's all I really want.
Cold, refreshing food and drink. Check. Maybe another, what was it? An ice tickler?
Yeah. I think one's good.
Yeah, one's plenty. I'd much rather have like a fresh fruit or berry smoothie or something.
Gotta be fast.
Prunes are on the couch.
There. I put the ice pack under the cheese.
Oh, nice. Have a nice little sandwich. Have our vitamins. Thank you. It's delicious. I can't believe the time it is already. Too, you know?
I know. Because we got here around 2 o'clock.
There's just a truck driving by with the tailgate open and a bunch of kids in the back. We're going to play a game of sequence. It's been a long, long time since I've played this game. The player to the, well, there's 2 people playing. Let's see here. Players cut the card and the lowest card deals. Aces are high. The dealer should should shuffle the cards and deal out the same number of cards to each player. So when you have 2 players, you deal 7 cards each. Use until one player or team scores the required number of sequences, at which point that player or team wins the game. If required to complete 2 sequences to win. Oh boy.
You know, I don't like cards.
Yeah, but this is easy because
Yabbits live in the woods.
Yabbits? What color would you like? Red, green, or blue?
I'll go blue.
I'm gonna go red.
Oh, I didn't have anything to block yet.
I know. Another sequence.
Well, I guess we'll go wild.
Nope, that's a removing one. A one-eyed jack removes, a two-eyed jack you can fill. Oh, stinker. You are an asshat.
Hey, I'm playing the game.
Yeah, you are.
I'm just going to take this one back and call it a sequence. You're right, I do like this game.
Yeah, right. You're such a liar.
Because it's called I Win.
Oh my god.
Can you tell who won?
Yeah, for someone who doesn't like playing cards, he crushed it.
5-2.
Turd.
So, yeah, it wasn't bad. It's not like playing cards. It's almost like using cards as like...
Your chips or
like tic-tac-toe, basically.
Yeah.
Or Connect 4 almost,
It
but
is.
using cards.
It's a Connect 4
Yeah, so...
with cards.
So yeah, there's the board. Pretty cool. And there's the loser.
You are a really, really pretty bird. Does anybody know what kind of bird that is?
Yeah, that thing is cool.
He is pretty.
Pretty bird, pretty bird.